students, welcome back to our class. In this module we are going to discuss about 2 marks problems which were given frequently in board examinations. Let us see the first problem here. First problem is going to be a sphere of maximum volume is cut out from a solid hemisphere of radius 6 centimeters. Did you understand the problem? There is one solid hemisphere. So this is one solid hemisphere, for example, right? So from this solid hemisphere, a sphere of maximum volume is cut out. A sphere of maximum volume means, if I would say, the maximum volume of the sphere should definitely touch the base as well as the top, right? So this is the maximum volume of the sphere cut out from the solid sphere, solid hemisphere. See here, the dimensions are given. The dimensions of this hemisphere are going to be, the radius is equal to 6 centimeters. So radius equal to 6 centimeters means this could be 6 centimeters as well as this could be 6 centimeters. So now, what is that 6 centimeters for our sphere? That 6 centimeters is going to be the diameter of the sphere. So therefore, you can write here, according to the information given, that according to the given information, according to the given problem, radius of hemisphere is equal to 6 centimeters and radius of this is what is the radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere is going to be the diameter of, because this is what is the diameter, right? So diameter of sphere, what is that? Cut out from it. Diameter of sphere cut out from it. So diameter of the sphere is equal to, this is the diameter is equal to radius of the hemisphere, that is going to be 6 centimeters. So diameter is equal to 2 times radius, right? 2 times radius is equal to 6. So radius is equal to 3 centimeters. This is what is the radius of the sphere so obtained. Find out the volume of the cutout sphere. So therefore, volume of sphere is equal to, what is the formula for volume of sphere? It is 4/3 pi r cube. Is going to be 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 3, so that 3 cube is 3 into 3. 1 3 and 1 3 gets cancelled. 27 7 cannot be cancelled. So that the numerators are going to be 4 into 22 is 88 into 3 3s are 9 divided by 7. So finally what do you get? 9 8s are 72. 2 7 9 8s are 72 plus 7 is equal to 792 divided by 7. What are the units? Units are going to be centimeter cube. This is what is the volume of the sphere cut out from hemisphere. Did you understand how to answer the problem? Right. Coming to the next problem here. A cuboidal block of side 7 centimeters. A cuboidal block of 7 centimeters is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. See, there is a cuboid. On the cuboid, a cubical block, not cuboidal block, a cubical block of side 7 centimeters is surmounted by a hemisphere. So surmounted by a hemisphere means this is one hemisphere, right? So for example, this is one hemisphere and a cubical block is there on the base. This is one, for example, top view or side view of the cubical block. So when you observe the whatever the diameter of this hemisphere is exactly the maximum value that I'm talking about. The maximum value of the diameter is going to be the edge of the cube. can be the edge of the cube. See here, what is the greatest diameter that a hemisphere can have? Now I am going to show you the top view of that. See, this is what is the base of the cube. For example, this is the base of the cube. Then when you are placing hemisphere onto that, then the hemisphere base can be occupied only the space, right? Occupied only the space. Because what are we talking about here? Find the surface area of the solid. What is the resulting surface area of the solid? See, resulting surface area is going to be, when I have a block, first I am talking about cubical block. On the top of the block, I am placing one hemisphere. So this is what is the top view that I am talking about. Top view on one face of the cuboidal box. See, only on one face it is placed so that the remaining faces of the cube are not disturbed. So how many faces are there for a cube? There are 6 faces. Out of 6 faces, you are placing cube like hemispherical depression on one face. So remaining 5 faces are not getting disturbed. So that remaining 5 faces area is 5a square plus on the top. This is what is the top view of the face, one face of the cube. See, this place is completely covered by the hemisphere, and you can see only the space in this place and this place and this place. So this area is going to be area of one square minus area of one circle. So that is going to be area of square is a square, area of circle is equal to pi r square. This is what is about only the faces that we can see, the area that we can see on a cube. But what is placed? Hemisphere is also placed. What can you see the hemisphere? You can see only the curved surface area of hemisphere. You cannot see the base of hemisphere because it was already closed. So what is curved surface area of hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square. This is what is the surface area that you can see. And when you simplify this, 5a square plus a square is equal to 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square is equal to pi r square. This is what the area that you can see here. And according to the given problem, a block of side 7 centimeters. Block of side 7 centimeters means a is equal to 7. So 6 into 7 square plus pi into radius is going to be, the diameter is equal to the edge. So radius is equal to edge by 2. That means pi into 7 by 2 whole square. So 7 square is equal to 49. 6 into 49 plus pi is equal to 22 by 7. 7 square is equal to 49 divided by 2 square is equal to 4. So 7 ones and 7 sevens are 49. 2 2s are 4. 2 11s are 22. So finally what do you get? 6 into 49. 6 into 49 is going to be 6 9s are 54, 4, 5 and see 9 6 are 6 9s are 54, 4, 5, 6 4s are 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. Plus coming to this is 11 into 7 is equal to 77. 77 by 2. So 77 by 2 means 2 3s are 6, 17, 2 8s are 16.5. So totally the surface area, resulting surface area is going to be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, 2, 1, 9 plus 1 equal to 10 plus 3, 13, 3, 1, 332.5 centimeter square is the resulting surface area of the solid so obtained. So this way we can answer the problem easily. Moving on to the next problem. 2 cubes of 5 centimeters each are kept together. 2 cubes of 5 centimeters each is nothing but the edge is equal to 5 centimeters kept together joining edge to form a cuboid. We already discussed this kind of problem in 1 mark problems, that you can see totally 6 faces of a cube, but when a cube is joined another cube, then one face will not be seen. So then you can see only 5 faces here. You can see 5 faces. So totally there are 10 faces that you can see. So that surface area of the resulting solid, surface area of the resulting, what is that solid? Resulting cuboid is going to be 5a square plus 5a square is going to be 10a square, right? So where a is equal to 5 centimeters because edge is equal to 5, so that surface area is equal to 10 into 5 square. 10 into 5 square is equal to 25. So 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter square is the resulting surface area of the cuboid. Coming to the next problem. Here a 5 meters wide cloth is used to make a conical tent of base diameter 14 meters and height 24 meters. So find the cost of cloth used at the rate of 25 rupees per meter square. See here you need to understand one thing. 5 meters wide cloth is used to make a conical tent of base diameter 14 meters and height 24 meters. Find the cost of the cloth used at the rate of 25 rupees per meter square. See, some 5 meters wide cloth is used to make the conical tent. Conical tent is nothing but it is in the form of a cone. So this is a conical tent. This is the height of the cone and this is the base radius. So height and radius. This is of course perpendicular. So conical tent is nothing but conical tent. What is required to make conical tent? That is curved surface area of cone. Cloth required for conical tent is curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. So what is the information given here? Base diameter is equal to 14 meters. So this total one is equal to 14 meters. If diameter is equal to 14, what is the radius? Radius is equal to 7 meters. And the height is going to be 24. So this is what is the height. So height is equal to 24 meters. So with the help of this height and radius, we will be able to find L. L is nothing but slant height. So which is equal to pi is 22 by 7 and radius is equal to 7 into slant height is equal to root over h square plus r square. That is 24 square plus 7 square. Got it? Here 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into square root 24 square is equal to 576. 7 square is equal to 49. So therefore totally it is going to be 625. Root 625 is equal to 25. So that is 22 into 25. So 25 twos are 50, 50, 550 meters square. So 550 meters square cloth is required to make the conical tent. But what do you want? Find the cost of cloth used at the rate of 25 rupees per meter. Okay. So here find the cost of cloth used at the rate of 25 rupees per meter. See here, cloth used at the rate of 25 rupees per meter. Then you will have to do one thing here. After finding the curved surface area, this is 550 meter square area cloth is required. So their width of the cloth is going to be 5 meters, so that you can find out what is the length of the cloth also, because length of the cloth into width is equal to 550, right? So length into width is equal to 5 meters is equal to 550. So that 5 ones, 5 1/10s. Length of the cloth is equal to 110 meters. Okay. So each meter is given to be how much? 25 meters, right? So therefore the total cost of the cloth required is equal to 110 into 25. Okay. So 110 into 25 is how much? 25 zeros are 0, 25 ones are 25, 5 to 25 ones are 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. So the total cost of the cloth is going to be 2750 rupees. You understand? Right. Moving on to the next problem. That is, find the number of plates 1.5 centimeters in diameter and 0.2 centimeters thickness. Means what? The plate is this kind of plate. Right? So this is actually in the shape of a cylinder. Plate in the sense that is a small thick plate, like it's a coin, okay? So that can be fitted completely inside a right circular cylinder. Right circular is nothing but right circular cylinder of height 10 centimeters and the diameter is equal to 45 centimeters. So if you keep all these things in one cylinder, see like this, how many number of plates can be placed? So it means volume of the cylinder divided by the volume of volume of the plate will be the number of plates that can be fitted. So otherwise you can say that n is nothing but the number of plates. Okay, n stands for the number of plates. So n into volume of cylindrical plate is equal to volume of cylinder. You understand? Because we do not know how many number of plates are required to fit them. So that is why n stands for the number of plates. So here n into volume of the cylindrical plate. Let us use smaller lowercase letters, uppercase letters. So pi r square h is equal to volume of cylinder is pi capital R square capital H. So pi and pi can be cancelled. Now you substitute the values. N into radius of the plate, 1.5 centimeters diameter. So radius is equal to 1.5 by 2, 1.5 by 2 whole square into height is nothing but that is the thickness 0.2 centimeters. So 0.2 is equal to, that can be completely placed in height is equal to 10, diameter equal to 4.5. So diameter 4.5, so radius is equal to 4.5 by 2 whole square multiplied by the height is equal to 10. Hope you understand. Now n into 1.5, and whenever you go for calculation, so please remove decimals and then cancel and then calculate. So then the calculation will be more easier. 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Again 15 by 20. This is 0.2 is nothing but 2 divided by 10 is equal to 4.5 is 45 by 10 into 2 is equal to 20, and one more time is it is 45 by 20 into 10. Correct? Now you go for the cancellation. See here, this 0 and 0 can be cancelled, and this 20 and this 20 can be cancelled, and this 2 and 2 10s are 20, and 15 ones, 15 3s are 45, 15 ones, 15 3s are 45. Okay? So, and now here it is 2 ones and 2 5s are 10. Therefore, here n divided by 10 5s are 50 is equal to here 3 into 3 is equal to 9 remaining. Okay? So, n is equal to what? By cross multiplication, n is equal to 9 5s are 45 and one more 0. So, the total number of plates are going to be 450. So, this way we can answer the problem easily. So moving on to the next problem, a solid metallic of dimensions. Solid metallic of dimensions means that's a cuboid according to the dimensions. It's a cuboid. Okay, it is a cuboid. So whose dimensions are given as 9. So length equal to 9 meters, and breadth is equal to 8 meters, and height is equal to 2 meters. Okay. Is melted and recast into solid cubes of edge 2 meters. Melted and recast into solid cubes. So this is a solid cube. You understand? So we do not know how many number of solid cubes. So number of solid cubes equal to n. It is very much clear. So volume of cuboid is equal to n times volume of cube. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to n times volume of cube. So volume of cuboid is equal to what? Length into breadth into height is equal to n into volume of cube is some a cube. Let us substitute, all the values are there. Here edge is equal to what? Edge is going to be 2 meters. A is equal to 2 meters. Now I am going to substitute. L is equal to 9 into 8 into 2 is equal to n into a is equal to 2, 2 cube is equal to 8. See, the problem is almost over. 8 ones cancel. So n is equal to 9 2s are 18. So the number of cubes of edge 2 meters is going to be 18. Right. So a cone of height 24 centimeters and radius 6 centimeters is made up of clay. If we reshape it into a sphere, then find out the radius of the sphere. What does it mean? It means a cone of height 24 centimeters and radius 6 centimeters is made up of clay. So a cone is recast into a sphere. Okay, recast into a sphere. Then what is the radius of the sphere? Here radius we do not know, but here we know about the dimensions. The dimensions of the cone are height is equal to 24 centimeters and radius of the base is going to be 6 centimeters. So therefore volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. Volume of cone is equal to pi r square h. Volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so here pi and pi gets cancelled, and here radius is equal to 6, so 6 square into height is equal to 24 equal to 4/3 into r cube. So 4 ones, 4 6 are 24. So here 6 square into 6 is equal to r cube divided by 3. Let me just check once again. Height is equal to 24, radius of the base is 6. So pi r square h. Pi into 6 square into h is equal to 24 is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Pi cancel. R is equal to 6 square into h is equal to 24 equal to 4/3. 4 1 4 6 are 24. So here 6 square into 6 is equal to 6 cube, and one more 3 is there, which is equal to r cube. Therefore r is equal to third root 6 cube into 3. So you know that third root 6 cube is equal to 6 into third root 3 is the radius of the sphere. You understand? Radius of the sphere is equal to r into third root 3. R is equal to third root 3 into 6 centimeters as per the information. So this way we can answer 2 marks problems. I think you feel pretty much easier in order to solve all the problems, because all the problems are again and again formula based. Okay, so once again I'm telling you that please do remember all the formulas, memorize them again and again and again, then you feel pretty much easier. Hope you understand, enjoy the class. Thank you.